Oh yeah, 2860. What's that strobe light over there on the top of that building out by the river?
You know, that's a new one for me too, sir. They said it just went online like 2 days ago, but that's a really bad idea the way that strobes.
Yeah, I agree.
It looks like runway end like identifiers, like that's ridiculous.
Yeah, you can see those things from a long way off.
United 2860 Heavy. Upon further examination up here, they're not even strobes. It looks like the Griswolds are setting up early for Christmas. They're like these big strand lights that are just shining that way. We're going to have to figure out what the heck that is.
Tower, JetBlue 482, we're with you, visual to the left.
JetBlue 482 Newark Tower, good evening. Caution wake turbulence, last arrival heavy 787. Traffic 2 o'clock and 3 miles. Helicopter orbiting out to the west there, currently at 900. Wind 1807, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, JetBlue 482. Nice strobe lights up straight ahead.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about. We're speculating those lights are to contact the aliens like in the beginning of Independence Day.
You just read my mind. That's what I was just chatting up here with.
Now, 52, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles northbound in the Cape 1000. And if you could give us some idea what those like Griswold-looking Christmas lights are on top of that building, but they look like strobes, but when we look a little closer, it looks like strands of lights. We're not quite sure what the heck is going on there.
Are you talking about the really bright ones?
Well, yeah, the ones that they can see from Philly once they get airborne.
Yeah, so what my understanding is those are like standard airplane warning lights that have malfunctioned and have defaulted to daytime brightness is what I was told.
That would make sense. They look like strands of lights. It's not even like a strobe. Like I said, it looks like the Griswolds decorated the house for Christmas real early.
Yep, when you get up close, they are actually individuals, but there's like 3 or 4 in a row. It does make kind of a strand light appearance. I guess people have been complaining, and they're trying to get them fixed. I don't know.
Yeah, they're really bright. One of the guys coming in on the 7-8 from overseas, and he said you could see them really far off.
It's not surprising. Every now and then I think someone in my back's flashing a camera or someone's shining a spotlight on me, and it's just those damn things shining up.
Well, the guys, one of my buddies used to fly for one of the carriers out of here. You take off out of Philly, you can see the lights at the Port Authority as soon as you get airborne.
That's crazy.
They're clearing for a visual from there.
Yeah, as long as nobody sticks that's like the rabbit lights into the airport, I think we'll be all right, though. 55 Brooklyn Bridge, Empire Freedom, Freedom 2000.
Nyan 55, squawk discreet, clearing is requested, altimeter 2998.
2998, 55.
955 companies on the western edge of the Holland Tunnel out of 17.
Yeah, 55, we got them.
52, your company's at the World Trade out of 11.
Yep, I'm looking for them. I'm sure I'll see them in a second. 952. 2890 right, base 22 left.
JetBlue 2890 Newark Tower, wind 2108, runway 22 left, clear to land.
22 left, clear to land, JetBlue 2890. Flights are ridiculous.
Yeah, they certainly are. You heard the explanation before?
Yes, sir.
JetBlue 2890, low altitude alert, altimeter is 29 or 9 or 8.
9 or 8, field of sight, JetBlue 2890, thanks.